Paano nga ba maghanap ng trabaho sa abroad? Hi Masters! Welcome to my vlog. This is Master Bay. For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo paano maghanap ng trabaho sa abroad. Karaniwan ang mga followers ko, ito ang tinatanong sa akin. Maghahanap tayo ng trabaho sa workabroad.ph. Meron silang website at meron silang Facebook page. Actually, dito ko nahanap ang trabaho ko, ang Loadmaster. Tara, explore natin at ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano. Pumunta lang kayo sa Google or any internet browser. Then, isearch nyo ang workabroad.ph. Yan ang itsura ng workabroad.ph. Dito, pwede nyo ilagay ang keywords. Kunwari, nurse, loadmaster, or kahit na ano pang trabaho ang gusto nyo. At dito, makikita nyo land-based or sea-based. Example, i-search natin ang nurse. Yan, i-type nyo lang ang nurse, then search. Ayan, Masters. Lalabas na lahat ng mga may hiring sa abroad. Ganito, staff nurse. Ito yung pangalan ng agency. Tapos makikita nyo dito, minimum experience 5 years. Vacancies 200. Dami, Masters. And nakalagay rin dito, last job activity 9 hours ago. Apply until May 29, 2024. Pwede nyo i-click tong apply now or save job. Tapos nakalagay dito, any, siguro male or female. And ang location niya, United Arab Emirates. Dapat 18 years old and above. Ayan, Masters. Makita nyo lahat dyan. Iba-iba, may Qatar, may Saudi Arabia. Tapos nakalagay din female. Yung iba, any. Tapos kung gusto nyo ng preferred country, pwede nyo ilagay. Kunwari US. USA. Then i-click nyo lang yan. Then search. Ayan, Masters. May mga lumabas din. Yan, nurses from all areas, non-NCLEX passer. Yan, any, male or female, USA. At isa pa, Masters, ito kung itong preferred specialization, pagka clinic nyo to, makikita nyo lahat yan. Education, administration, lahat ng mga parang general na to, Master. So, itry natin airline or aviation. I-click nyo lang to. Then, press nyo ang search. Ayan, may mga lumabas. Showing 1 to 10 out of 14 jobs. Yan. Avionics, vacancies 100. Last job activity 2 hours ago. Apply until May 28, 2024. Click nyo itong apply. Tapos, ito makikita nyo yung agency. FASI International Corporation, Manila Branch. Minimum experience 2 years. Male or female. Then, location Singapore. 18 years old and above. Pagka-clinic nyo to, makikita nyo yung details. Yan. Pati yung sahod, nakapakita na yung sahod dyan. SGD, 2,900 to 3,500 per month. So, i-convert nyo na lang. Nakalagay na rin dyan yung mga job description, yung mga qualifications. Master, yung qualifications, napaka-importante nito. So, pag nasa Pinas pa lang kayo, mag-build up kayo ng experience or trainings. So, sa mga newly graduate dyan, at least 2 years sa lahat ng gustong mag-abroad. Ang hinahanap nila usually, yung minimum requirement is 2 years. Yan, a minimum of 2 years working experience is required. Candidates must be bachelor college degree holder in engineering, aviation, aeronautics, astronautics. Yan, minimum diploma in avionics technology. Yan. And nakalagay din dito, must be fully vaccinated with at least 1 booster. Siyempre, depende sa company yan and sa bansang pupuntahan nyo. And may additional information din sila. Kindly attach updated CV in MS Word file. Yan. Check Google drink. Link for CB format. And yan, principal employer. Nakalagay din dyan. And yung DMW registration or accreditation, nandyan din yan. And yung placement fee nakalagay din dyan. Please be reminded that as per DMW regulations, the placement fee is up to a maximum of 1 month salary. Yung iba naman walang placement fee. So ayan, masters. Nakita nyo kung anong to, masters, no? Agency. Kung gusto nyong i-double check, pwede kayong mag-double check dito, masters. So, sa left side, makikita nyo dyan. Validate agency email, agency directory, validate DMW license. Yan. And meron din government to government jobs. So, i-validate natin yung license nila. I-click nyo lang yan. Yan. Mapupunta kayo sa Department of Migrant Workers or DMW. Licensed Recruitment Agencies. Search by name. So, i-search natin FASI. Check natin kung lalabas. So, search natin. Yan. FASI International Corporation. Nakalagay dyan, Representative Rosario F. Capulong. Yung address nila, and contact number, and email. Yan. Valid license. Status, valid license. Status date. Nakalagay din dyan. And expiration. Ganun lang kadali, masters. Babalik tayo at may ipapakita pa ako. Babalik tayo sa home. Para sa mga C-base naman, i-click nyo lang to. Click C-base. Example natin, waiter. Example lang natin. Then, click nyo lang yung search. Yan, tignan nyo yung iba. Parang, ano ba tawag dun sa barko? Yun ang lumabas. Nakalagay din dyan na dito, select ship class, vessel type. Container ship, bulk carrier, tanker ship, roll-on, roll-off ships, passenger ships, offshore, fishing vessel, at marami pang iba. At dito, makita nyo kung gusto nyo worldwide, domestic, or inter-island. Ayan. So, no results found. Search natin, chef. Yan, may lumabas na chef. Yan, 2 days ago, Northern Marine Offshore Chef, Magsaysay Maritime Corporation. Yan, vessel type, offshore vessel. Number of crews needed, 2. Opening date, May 22, and closing date, June 20. Yan, and pagka-clinic nyo yung view job details, yan, kikita nyo lahat ng information. Yan, skills and qualification. At kung interested kayo, gusto nyo mag-apply, i-click nyo lang tong apply. So, dito kayo pupunta, masters. If you are not a member, please sign up. So, kung di kayo member, i-click nyo lang yan, then kailangan nyong fill upan lahat to. First name, last name, email address, mobile number, birth date, gender, total years of experience. At ilalagay nyo din highest educational attainment. Yan, doctorate, professional license, postgraduate, bachelor's college degree. Then, ilalagay nyo yung password and retype password. And after that, syempre, kailangan nyo i-check to. By signing up, you agree to our terms of use and privacy policy. Then, after that, i-click nyo na I'm not a robot, then sign up. Pag may 3 kayong sinave na preferred job, tapos may job opening, ang workabroad.ph ang magsisend sa inyo ng email na hiring na ang gusto nyong trabaho. Okay, masters, ganun lang kadali maghanap ng trabaho sa abroad. Kung gusto mo ng ganitong content, syempre, don't forget to follow Master Bay in TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. At ang lagi kong sinasabi, dream big, sky is the limit. Master Bay. And syempre, sharing is caring.